Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're having a nice day. So today is a very impromptu video. I had won a giveaway that Emily, a fashion storyteller, had on her channel. It was a Pandora giveaway and I won it. Yay! So today I got the package. So I'm very excited about that. And I thought I would film a video of me unboxing my giveaway prize. So I have so this is the box. She lives in Canada, so it's come to me all the way from Canada. So I haven't opened the package yet. I just took off the customs form and the label that was on this side because it had my address on it. So I just took that off and cut into the box so that I could open it easily because it was hard to get into. She packaged it up really well. So I just opened it, but I haven't peeked inside. So let's go ahead and do it right now. So this is the box, and I haven't even opened it to see what it looks like inside. So this is my first look. Oh, she has packaged everything and wrapped everything up, and I see Pandora tissue paper. Lots and lots of Pandora tissue paper. Oh, and I see a card, and it has my name on it. Let me see. Oh, so that's the card. It's so beautiful. I love flowers, and yeah. Thank you so much, Emily. I love the card. Thank you. And I see 2 yellow packages. Ooh, she has stickers on them. So this one says tea time, and it has a feather sticker on it. And there's 2 more. It says wander often, and then wonder always. Oh, that's so nice. So let's open the tea first. It's a package from Emily. Of course there's going to be tea. Oh, she sent me a bunch of them. Oh, it's David's tea. I've never tried David's tea. I just see her drinking all the tea, and I'm not a very huge tea drinker. I drink certain kinds of teas. I'm much more a coffee person, but I am so excited to try these. I love the name on this. It says just beat it. Okay, so that's the tea. Thank you, Emily. And let's open this one that says wander often. It's such a pretty yellow paper, so springy. Oh, and she put stickers on the box itself. Oh, so cute. And it's all wrapped up in tissue paper. Oh, I love the box. It's so cute, and love the color on it and the details. Look at the heart that says Pandora. Look at the bow on the handle. It's so cute. And inside, oh, it's such a pretty box, and I love the bracelet. Let's see. It's all so this is what I won. It's the heart clasp in rose gold, and it came with this charm. This was released on Valentine's Day, I think, this set. So it has this charm, and it's 2 parts. And at the back it says, follow your, and it has a heart cut out, so follow your heart. Oh, and the bail has a CZ on it, and it's kind of pink, I think. Oh, it's so pretty. On both sides, it has the CZ on both sides of the bail. And then these clips, I think these are the Shining Path clips, if I'm not mistaken. So that's the bracelet, and I love the box. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. It's like a child opening presents on your birthday. And this is the other one. Oh, and this is the cleaning kit. This box is a sturdy box. That's the cleaning kit. It comes with this brush and the clasp opener. Oh, it's so nice. I'll probably put this on my keychain so I have it with me. So pretty. And here is the care guide. It tells you how to take care of your jewelry. Oh, I think this one comes up. So if you take that out, it has a couple of cleaning cloths and some jewelry bags. These are the cleaning cloths and jewelry bags to store your jewelry in. This would be a nice box to keep some of my jewelry in if I wanted to. Although I'm trying to condense. I'm trying to see if I want the My Stackers box, or should I wait for the new Pandora jewelry boxes that they're supposed to come out with, the bigger ones that they came out with in the UK, I believe, last year. And my sales associate told me they would be coming out with some in the US too, so I haven't seen them yet here, so I'm hoping they're nice and I can get it, and it's big enough to hold the major chunk of my jewelry, like my everyday jewelry at least. So we'll see. But yeah, this is the giveaway that I won. I got the gift set, the cleaning kit, and a bunch of nice tea. So thank you so much, Emily. I'm so excited. Thank you for hosting such an amazing giveaway, and I'm so glad I won, and I cannot wait to design with this bracelet. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed already, please do, and I'll see you soon. Bye.